Hello everyone, Sandy here with Sandy's Home and Garden. Welcome to my channel. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. Our host is Anna from Grace Life DIY Home Decor. This is an open collaboration. Anyone can join. Just hashtag Tablescape Tuesday 24. Now my Tablescape today is a peach pansy theme. As you will see with the little salad plates, they have a little peach colored pansy on it, which I thought was pretty. I thrifted that recently. And this is a peach candle and a really pretty vase with some grapes and artichokes on top, which I have showcased before. So I thought that made for a very nice centerpiece. And I even have my candles burning. Okay, so here we have the peach pansy. I love the colors. And like I said, I just recently thrifted this. And there on the tag, it does say peach pansy. And then I have a cream color napkin over a clear glass plate. So you could see the charger underneath, which is a really pretty peachy coral color. I love the detail around the edges and how it's scalloped. And on the back, it does say Pier 1. So that was a good find at the thrift store. And it makes for a very pretty table setting. And then here I've got a really pretty goblet. I love the detail in the goblets. And then I have this little salad plate that has, I've got an artichoke on it that I purchased off of Amazon. A couple of Granny Smith apples on a fruit plate. And then I have this little marbled teacup or a goblet. And I'm going to have my tea out of that. And my tea for today is peach and passion fruit. Very good tea. And I have a pink candle here that's burning, a little pink spiral candle. And here is a green wine glass, kind of a green tinted wine glass. And I also thrifted this little teapot that's in the shape of an apple. I thought it was so cute. Again, the peach pansy plates. And here we have the little fruit plate with a couple of my faux cupcakes. And another glass goblet. I'm very happy with the way this tablescape turned out. I think it's very pretty. And I am videotaping this at night, so the candle lights look really nice. Makes for a very romantic table. Okay, I think that'll do it. I want to thank Anna from Grace Life DIY Home Decor for hosting this collaboration. Be sure to check out all the other participants in this collaboration. And remember, it is an open invite. Just hashtag Tablescape Tuesday 24. Now I did turn off the overhead lights so you could see the nighttime glow with the candles. I really like the idea of the candle lights. I don't usually do this, but Deborah Kabasa inspired me to start using candles at the end of my videos. So again, thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.